Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to add TikTok profile video. It's pretty easy and simple. So let's get started our video. First of all, launch on your TikTok application, and after launch then go to profile. Here you can see this is my TikTok profile and I want to add my TikTok profile video. How can you add? So guys, before starting our video, I want to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. That's my request. Okay, let's start our video. First of all, tap on edit profile option. Here you can see edit profile. So just tap on this edit profile, and after that you get a option change video. Here you can see before change photo, beside change photo, here you can see change video option on the right side. Just tap on this icon and then allow it, and then you need to add your video from your gallery. You can select any video. I select randomly and it must be 6 seconds. There you can see they take 6 seconds from my video. You can last position or you can take from first position, just 6 seconds, then save it. On the top right side here you can see save option. Just tap on this save, and now here you can see my video was processing. Wait, here it's uploading now. That's it. Now there you can see my profile video already added. Here you can see, there you can see my profile video already added. That's it. So guys, in this way you can add your TikTok profile video very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.